Epson EcoTank EF-2400 print head cleaning. No computer needed. What you need: Epson EF-2400 printer turned on A4 plain paper loaded in the tray. Adequate ink in all tanks. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure the printer is plugged in and powered on. Confirm that there is paper loaded in the tray. Step 2. Access the maintenance menu. Press the Home button on the control panel. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to Maintenance or Setup. Gear icon. Press OK to enter the menu. Step 3. Select Print Head Cleaning. From the Maintenance menu, select Print Head Cleaning. Press OK to begin the cleaning cycle. The printer will take about 1 to 2 minutes to clean the print head. Step 4. Run a nozzle check, optional but recommended. Return to the Maintenance menu. Select Nozzle Check and press OK. The printer will print a nozzle check pattern. Inspect the printed pattern. If the lines are solid and complete, the print head is clean. If there are missing or broken lines, repeat the cleaning process. Additional tips: do not perform more than 3 cleaning cycles in a row, as this consumes a significant amount of ink. If print quality does not improve, wait a few hours before trying again, or run a power cleaning if available in the Maintenance menu. To prevent clogs, print something at least once per week. Always use genuine Epson ink for the best results. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.